Roux-en-Y gastric bypass has been used as a weight loss surgery since the 1960s. It's the most common surgery performed in the United States for weight loss surgery and is considered the gold standard for surgical care of morbid obesity. Patients undergo a surgery in which the top of the stomach is separated into a small pouch which limits the amount of food they can eat. The lower portion of the stomach remains in the body but is bypassed using the small bowel. Patients get 3 effects from gastric bypass surgery. This includes restriction, malabsorption, and something called the dumping syndrome. The dumping syndrome is a side effect that occurs when patients eat high-calorie, low-volume foods, such as processed sugars and fats. Patients are very successful with gastric bypass. They lose generally 60 to 80% of their excess weight. The side effects are minimal and usually involve vitamin deficiencies that can be treated using over-the-counter vitamins. This surgery can also be done laparoscopically, which has become the major way that this surgery is done in the United States today.